Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is wash day for me, and I'm deep conditioning today. I just finished washing my hair with my Redken products. Everything that I use will be in the description box for y'all to see. Today I'm using the Main Choice Peach Black Tea in Vitamin Fusion, Anti-Shedding, and Intense Volume Therapy Mask. Because I'm straightening my hair today, my daughter will be flat ironing. She will be blow drying and flat ironing my hair today. So this is the mask I chose because it protects the hair from the heat too. Alright, so here I go. Here's the mask. See? And it's thick. Yeah. I used this once before and I like it. Yeah, I like it. So, here I go. Ooh, trying to split my hair in fours is a job for me. It's a job. It is a job for me. But, here I go. Deep conditioning my hair. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Deep conditioning. Deep conditioning my hair. Whew. Yes. Deep conditioning. Deep conditioning of my hair. Oh. I'll try to part it as I go. Oh, I hope everybody's well today. It's a beautiful day outside. I hope everybody's enjoying it. There's not very much we could do under quarantine, but I hope everybody makes some kind of choice to enjoy their day, especially with everything going on. I hope everybody, excuse me, I hope everybody makes the choice to try to enjoy this day that the Lord has given them. Okay? Yes. Oh. Yes, it's melting into my strand. See, this one also, the Main Choice. That's my girl. Yeah, she makes some good hair products as well. Ooh. 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 I'm going to have to pause y'all for a minute briefly because I did forget my dimming brush. Not dimming, excuse me. My detangling brush in the kitchen. I forgot it, so I have to go back and get it. I'm so sorry, y'all. It's just that I got a lot of stuff going on myself. You know, trying to get this video up for y'all. I've been asked to do so many different types of videos. You know, and I will be doing it. Y'all got some nice videos coming y'all way. You know, we are in the background planning. We're planning for y'all. Yeah, this is a team effort with us over here. It's team. We are a team. So, yes. Oh. For those who share my video, thank you. I appreciate it. See? See how the deep conditioner that went through my hair? I'm trying to let y'all see how it went through the hair. See? It went right through. It just melts right into the hair. Oh, and I love it. Yep, it makes the hair feel good. It feels moisturizing, you know. Yeah. My hair's starting to get pretty thick too. I like that. You know. I like that. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I'm back. Here's my detangling brush. I didn't do the detangling comb today. Just the detangling brush today. Oh. Whew. Yeah. See? Look at that shine. Look at that shine, y'all. Look at that shine. See how my hair just curls right up? I love it. Yeah, but my daughter, like I said, she'll be straightening my hair today. Ooh, I didn't have very much shedding today. I try not to have a lot of shedding. I do things to limit my shedding in my hair. I don't like when my hair sheds. I know it has to shed from dead hair. It has to do some shedding. I know that, but I'm just saying I don't particularly care for it. See? See? Look. See how my hair curls up? See? 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 Ooh. Ooh. See how it just comes right through? I love this brush. Yes, it just moves the product right on through. Smooths it nicely. Yes, it does. This brush. It smooths it nicely into the hair. And I like it. I like it. Oh. So now I'm going to go and sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes. Ooh. You know, this is how I bring all my hair to the front and to the top of my head. Yeah, so it can get my ends. Your ends is the most fragile thing on your hair. You have to protect them because it's the oldest thing on your hair. So you have to take care of your ends, ladies and gents. You have to take care of them. Take care of them, they'll take care of you, and you will retain length. And you have to have a nice hair regimen. Some people do 1 week, some people do 2 weeks. I tried to do 2 weeks. My scalp ain't having it. So, yeah. Okay. I'll be back. I'm going to deep condition. I'm going to deep condition my hair. Okay? Hello everyone. I'm back from rinsing out the deep conditioner. Now I'm about to blow dry my hair. And here's the heat protectant I'm using. It's a 10 leave-in product, which is also also a heat protectant. So this is what I'm using today. See, this is what I'm using. It's a 10. All right, I like this product. Then I'm going to flat iron my hair. I'm using the Cheese Silk Infusion heat protectant for the flat ironing process. I'm not doing no silky nothing because I'm not trusting all that heat on my hair. And I'm doing the Chi Catatonic Hydration in the link. Both good products. I used them before. Very good products. See them? Okay. Now I'll be back after I finish blow drying my hair. I forgot to mention I'm also going to flat iron my hair. So I'll be right back after I do it off camera. Hello guys. I'm back from flat ironing my hair. This is what it looks like. Nice and shiny and healthy. See? Guessing this is the end of the video. This is the end of my video. If you like what you saw, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you later.